let me think about this. So I made a video, right? And well, I was putting the video together. It's almost 45 minutes long. It was going to be a video about the footage of the RX0, the DJI Action 2, GoPro Hero 11, and the X3 from Insta360, looking at footage and issues. I'm still going to go over issues in a separate video, but I want to make a quick video about skin tones. Mostly about, like the title is, GoPro Hero 11 skin tones and what to avoid. Well, I don't have the best face. I'm getting old. I'm like 50 years old, right? So I've been through the sun. Nowadays we don't wear much sunscreen, so we have sunspots, all that kind of stuff going on. I found the GoPro, when I was making this video, to be horrible looking skin tones. My fault, it's my skin, but the Action 2 looked better. And then even the Insta360 X3 looked a little bit better. But there was more pasty, washed out the way it kind of does things, so it kind of blurred out some of the flaws. So I went back to GoPro, and we're gonna look at some footage of flat, natural, and vivid, or vibrant they call it now. Those are the three ones from GoPro Hero 11. I'm gonna have it on low sharpness and one on medium sharpness. Doesn't really matter. It's about the flat, natural, vibrant. That's it. So filming on the A7 IV right now. Got a little wind. Hopefully this microphone works. But I want you to look at the footage, and I'm gonna tell you right now, for me, I used to use it, but I am avoiding natural from now on with the GoPro Hero 11 for any type of skin looking, people looking kind of footage. It is, you'll see, it's just something that it does. It just brings out, like, it's like you go into the dermatologist and they put that light and you see all the nastiness from your days in the sun. That's what it looks like. So low works really good. Actually, vibrant wasn't that bad. I could fix it, but natural, couldn't fix it. You saw everything. Blech. So GoPro Hero 11, avoid the natural, look at the video, like, subscribe down below. Trying to make it to 3,000 subscribers. With your help, we can get there. All right, after this video, I may do some shorts on issues with each camera that I'm having, and we'll go from there. Thanks. All right, flat, low. Enhance. Natural, low. Enhance. Vibrant, low. I'd say enhance, but we'll see. Flat, medium sharpness.